na asem me
ka say enye say yenkoye case me ka say we ye case but from where I sit no any share per experience ni nyama experience around baby and makono you don't need it. The government should know.
Etimuntu anamo bia sada.
Me ka say yentu anamo.
But there
are two things. Me can't say into amana. And me can't say that argument is not valid.
Okay.
It's very, very valid. It is good. Say, yeah, your industry mo. Ye krata ye ni enche ye. They are called authorities. And make a strong case for state funding. Yeah, I'm not saying it's not good. It's good. But from where I sit, any amama or football ne kwenim no. Government did not wait for more industry MBA presentation. They didn't because for Efrimuba. So they went ahead and they did it. And they are reaping from it. England said premiership. Do you know the level of direct state funding that goes into even the clubs? You have no idea. The British government can spend as much as £800 million into grassroots. £800 million into grassroots. Yeah, government, no. Of course, government, I think they are also helping the way. One very, very good thing now, I feel say they be your government, she say, this then, and yet, no, I'm talking about states. The state. I don't care about the colorization part in
state in our now.
That 10 multi-purpose sports resource center a very big missed opportunity because it had the potential of changing the face of the game.
Can I say something?
Seriously. Seriously.
Look,
opportunity. How many days in the year?
365.
Shardow opportunity to add big beard. Why? A very good opportunity. Very good opportunity because infrastructure outlay no more with the potential of changing the game because now every region, at least the 10 out of the 16 regions, and now more plans to say 6 regions now can how they've not been able to complete even a single one baffles me because a very good idea. This is one very good example of direct state funding into football. It's one very good example, but
thank you very much. At 33 years old, the dynamic Ohinijan, full of fresh ideas and brimming with enthusiasm, stepped into the shoes of Akwei as the unanimously elected chairman of the Ghana Amateur Football Association, GAFA, constantly pushing policies and ideas through the corridors of power to Asajifo to ensure Ghana would have a deliberate plan aimed at success in its football development. Then comes Mr. Kreku, a young, vibrant football administrator brimming with ideas, is voted in for a fresh page. This is his president. Campaign member. No, because I'm a form so only 3 can born him. Yeah, kind of bonus on a party agent.
Yes.
I put it to him. Government is a willing listener. Where is your policy in this Ohinijan watershed moment?
I think
Ghana buying Astro theft. Any standard. What have they done? Yes.
Astro theft no.
Yes, you know. Yes, standard.
Yes, but you have to absolutely. And yeah, hand maybe sebi you. And I'm very sure say who are the right sources are who didn't come up with who say na and yeah high. Who didn't come up with I know you have the capacity. But it's not for me. Say maybe say or fresh say. No, that's not how you build government. I mean, in past, I said now to me, if in same way, 3KOSII say no. Who didn't come up with the chair? Who pay say in Komodia Kwechi?
Sir.
Yes. Now, back to the policy. No, we didn't come on so sir. We said at various stages of governance. No, there have been certain level of engagement
to the policy.
It has not. Yes, it has just not materialized. And for me, no, it presents a serious challenge and difficulty, mommy, because at various levels, no, it be more materializing.
Oh, okay.
I must consider it be more. Say commodity and a stipend see by.
Oh, okay.
And for women's football, no, and commodity and IB, and I know other things are. I don't want to.
A higher crown to bezel
yes, it's not for me. But who didn't come on say na minimum say to me 15 say mu ukomwa obe say the FA has not sat down say onye hwe folding in arms. But me point na me and say as a government, me nka say MPP and NDC as a government and as a state no. You need not wait say umbrella policy before be 200 more because a man football they didn't wait. They didn't.
They didn't, yes.
Now say him there, my. We know. Many opini pay in Abemu Edim Komo. Penny pa. And he made a very, very revealing statement. Or say, yeah, Sebi, and yes, playing the racial cards. Yeah, black Africans need it. Then I may do me any in the arts and the sports.
Oh, okay.
The share. Ubehun baby Obehun say. Black obia or black no mostly has to do with the art ebianyum and asiniyim and abisa and as sports
no crepa no crepa
oh yes I'm saying into penny pa otua ben unim ade say this is what nyame so they are doing here so why don't we also push resources there just like we do it elsewhere. Na said to be fair public accounts committee. Echo ways.
Football Republic Committee.
And I'm saying that I have no problem with that.
Good seeing yeah.
Yes, of course, I have absolutely no problem. But I'm saying that for the kind of investment we should be speaking to the right quarters. And the right quarters is the public purse.
Oh, okay.
That's the only way. Or more developing in England, Japan, China, even China, US, a very good example. You have no idea the level of state involvement that Benin, from 2016. If I tell you, and yet football, all sporting federations, direct funding. So we have to wake up. And today be a tournament. I see, Madagascar share, we share. Add the football no, yasana. Maybe the kind of another level of investment on wrong football. Talent but the level of investment to be a football and as sports economy, it needs huge level of investment. Now this is common to the right quarters. Now they be saying expenditure say you don't look. We will continue to spend on our various national teams. We will continue till that kingdom come. Senegal since independence. From Uji yes. They kept spending. Of course, you have to also spend on the right areas. That's why when you criticize the areas now, we feel say there are alternative ways of spending. I don't have a problem with that. But don't say that this kind of Korea national team so clubs and I said no. It's not enough. You know this.
They call Blackstars.
It's not enough. You have no idea. That's what I'm saying. That you have no idea. Look. The level of tournament. Look at our competitors. We are there.
What can me once empty last tournament? One immediate film.
Said
I saw some me once me Sentino, and I will call you my passport for Ameenu na Mankobi.
Last tournament.
What happened? Football Republic.
And when you want to catch him, send out for exams, and I said,
exams better. Let me try that. I'm not going to try to
walk up. And so now, academics be.
And then they'll cry how now. Galen call World Cup or football Republic.
What I'm suggesting is they are suggesting is Atta.
Point of engagement.
Yeah, I suggesting. My point we. In common idea, you are well placed in our sources no if you want to be diabolical, I know how you are diabolical. Yedim. Ope say, oh yeah, who can was them to a certain angle, yes, win him. But I think to some extent, to also share, who step it back, not share the larger picture. The larger picture being said, your football investment, you know, it's saying, maybe you per se, you pay just sports no corner. What level of investment are you needing? Now that level of investment, everything you have. That is for me where incommoding you didn't go. Because you cost this
and then
expenditure on Blackstars no. It's nothing compared to the level of investment I
expenditure on the Blackstars
is nothing compared to the level of investment I was sporting industry and Africa.
Mr. OP. And then
wow even investment now yeah boy even the Blackstars no it's not even enough.
My fine.
Compared to
massem ni o and then no ya ihia no yemi no ni agya tum say ye be ka asem no se ne be ya Ghana ni be enye sa.
Yes,
good. And na make say sikana nkasa swa eso
okay
sikana nkasa na ewo cup no national cake no eso
SOMPA sports
inti kakra na ye de beba football no football ni nie ni mum say sikana ye de ba ne ti se nsuo football ni nya pipe a nsuo ni be fam ni etima direct say wokoha na yesu sika ni yie na se ye bebo de bia na se sika no dodo no ye boka e wo nioma bia nke e betimi ate so
okay
na se no ni spend sika ne kese a ene miwura na ne ball na ye no and as sports no enye yi. Why do I say this?
I think we are saying the same thing.
Good. If you spend almost $4 million on appearance fee alone in the World Cup year, that's 4 years.
Yes.
For 4 years, Sikebia 1 million for 4 years. Sasika 4 million. Mimi Jidi say, Aboroswa emu 50% die. $2 million. Kebetimi dia kwa si bibi dia share sa Blackstars no qualify for World Cup no any munyam. So there's a legacy project by the FA and this World Cup team yanko briku mo park nenye yensi bibi kama ho say yes in 4 World Cup qualifications you hu say ye World Cup no say na be qualify near dia ba be infrastructure
and that also say there's nothing legacy upon World Cups na yakon yenye bibia legacy for World Cups na yakon.
Case 1
maybe sir
legacy
is there nothing
there is
okay
Ora kwesi yantechi legacy 2006 yeah we talk pickups edema RFS
that's not even a legacy
that's what they termed legacy.
I'm sure. The genesis of FIFA Go project any for and everything FIFA realize say or making a lot of commercial gains from World Cup.
Yes.
In fact, the biggest financial resource for FIFA the FIFA World Cup. It's not FIFA Go project ni forward no is run through a 4-year cycle, commensurate to the World Cup. What I been the say World Cup na ye corner ye nya hu scanning pride ni ade no ye ti fund aton chen and their member associations, not only the participating countries all member associations of FIFA na mo fanye football development eno ye den inti e prampa na esi wono den how did we develop it?
You're on patrol.
How?
The linkage there doesn't support.
It supports
what we are doing.
It supports.
We are external donor project. We are external.
But even the mother body recognize it.
Mr.
You say legacy. Me so me two fund see. Yes. So Obia be argument say ya call World Cup say yenya legacy no. I'll tell them no.
Good.
No, it can't be right.
See,
it can't be right. Let's spend the full picture.
Not entirely so because Sikana yedi akodi $4 million yedi akodi appearance.
But even that one, maybe I may analysis say, look, I was fortunate enough to study in the first world country.
Yes.
Meaning they live. Sebi you. When you are born, there are certain guarantees per system no is extended to you. Sebi you will be Blackstars team manager for instance, maybe the example because this is what I've experienced.
Yes.
Obi embe bo me pon aminim no. No aka say mirror me hu on TV so. She say we a Blackstars manager. Me buy ya Oko school oni school fees supporting mommy. This is our cultural settings. This is how we're brought up. Hanum no the sense of community. E wo han more person honum.
Yes.
Honum there nkwa uye wejuma. So you're able to even live there. Instead of amount for honum omuko boy juma sa omuko bo pa so they are able to save or sit down hanum because there is you and your nuclear family. But hanum no because of the community we are here bringing up no. A lot of all these things traces to and everybody so I call 4 million now can know. And I know you are an intellectual. When you do the analysis, you now come deeper. I'm not supporting saying 4 million and farmer individuals. So that's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying that look at it, look at the history. It will give you a better understanding and appreciation of why it is like that. Because you know, Nipa now when you 4 million, or now the group of people when you 4 million, no. The 4 million, the way it travels, no. Ekwa besi who crowds.
But 4 million. 4 million moto.
I know you have the capacity to do proper analysis.
Shadow me so they make
no,
away from that.
Okay.
But me can say and can change.
Let's also appreciate. Saminyanka, uni request. Munya request. Na me muntumbra be wama. Me I like the engagement.
Debi Jeff be tuanika wo. It's only me be chedia.
Don't pollute the public. Me paucho.
Nti utu kwa Jeff o mama keska.
Miana. Debi. Obi amana.
Na ketka ko peso ku ana.
Ebia.
I don't know your
sa. So nim say ebia oya. One na obi betna dia.
I don't know we. Mimi tu kwa commentary e mamiska.
Munya request pachopa me because I like this kind of festival.
But resolve says
ono ni intellectual ni intellect no. Ogada de ye nyama. Ono anim say.
Enya be du on ye ogana.
But nya o mind no ne yesum no. Or capacity ni so so. Or the be ya ebedi mu
ye
enutina
ba me so me sere o say ma difficult de na tum de o kan ma ji atum ba me gidi say sasika no say usi
say boy amako yi abai
no mo for kasena ne nto
but the intia me ba look
TM
yes sir
and then ne ware ma men committees kakra na me hombra ye boy ofu ana na Europe pajo issue ben
endra say na ye share e wa brankese
ye share brankese
highlight of women's football no
yeah
endra na ehu ye na me gidi ye pa say obi a oba abranka even without coming to abrankese no I was saying appreciation say women's football no at the very least no etumpo ye pa na menka I don't want to even limit I don't want to even
football in Ghana ha akwadimu ye animunyama bem
of course
ka utrana
no na say oh
because is any ka no kro
so nim say minstro ka
ayeye mo ye ni kama eno na e be hwe ye motaginis ya ma ye bianom ya the school for free nkra bebraba ball no mo ball the park no you could see this was a final quality sites mienu na ebo the organization splendid
absolutely no doubt say odi amount for 10 ebet na they will say the same thing
absolutely
because that's the fact
and there
fact there we had yeah. And I may patch say, look, even if difficulties, enormous the football no, no difficulties no, draws too much. It's not be a progress, ebia. Yanfa ye ni antel ho here. Ye hu say ye progress because progress no draws too much. And it won't take Ketokrako and I say even people beyond Ketokrako to solve all the problems of football. No. But women's football no. I was say to say baby na e wo. Any baby I could do it. Any baby I feel say if we continue on this state and even improve on certain areas now be go in pa I'll grow even the men's game. Hey who the level of development of the women's game Ghana buta any clubs no ngomo clubs or more relegation in the women's league no omusu because they know what they will be missing from the league.
Martin Mesa Bana Yediun Koma Cramming King messages Kaka Calipo the boy. Good work. And I keep it very much and I pray. Before send them to Division 2. Also help me God Abdul Hadi Mahmudu Hadi live from Qatar. Good morning, some passport, more fire. Stephen Kobe. Come here, want Newcastle to draw points. But Emfa, Crespo Fufu, just wish Shakal 04. All the best against Bayamon Chim to Derek Apia. Brought thanks for your hard work. And Eric Amakon Forda. Ota Bishop Ababa Ramo Hena Wabwana Nema Dedimpa Kukua Lawrence Champion Man Nedio Deba Never be Ramo set Kwiku Monfiada please here's the bishop win along Kaze a Jama Shadow Kanasem Nona O Utino anyway Eric Apia Regis and I will